Yes guys, welcome to Joby's Kitchen. I'm back with another meal today. I'm going to cook French fried chicken with rice and peas. See there the chicken already, seasoned already. So I'm going to put some seasoning in the flour now. Throw in some of the chicken. Yes guys, we're going to put in the chicken. This is the coconut powder and the tin peas to put the rice and peas. You see the vegetable over here. Guys, see the chicken here finished fry already. So I'm going to fry some sweet potato in the oil. Put some seasoning over it. And some Irish potato. Okay, we're making the gravy. Put some chili powder in there. Okay. Some red pepper. I'm going to put a little brown sugar, barbecue sauce to give it a little flavor. See there? Put a little country crab butter in there. This is the chicken, the fried potato, sweet potato and Irish potato, and this is the vegetable. Yes guys, this is it. The fried chicken and rice and peas with a side of vegetable and fried potato. Give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, comment and share. And see you next time.